dinner here, and already we reached in the evening. So fish is getting ready, and other items are getting ready. I'll show you the side. Here we have some water towards my right, and also they have behind this there is a fort, which is a very old fort we can find. And when we come here, it's not just to be here in the wadi, also we can visit the fort. And also this is one which is available like a small tent where we can pay and stay. And since we found many people started putting their camp and started making food here, so we too started our food. And this is one of the best, and which is very near from Muscat. So I suggest people, those who want to explore Oman, you can keep this place also one of your checklist. So once again, I'll tell you, the place is Al Khoud village. If you type Al Khoud village, there are it's like a wadi. From this wadi, you can it connects towards Muscat Expressway. So you can come Al Khoud village. Once you come, again you have to take the bridge and you have to cross, and immediately after crossing that bridge you have to take right, so you will reach this place. Actually now it's getting dark, so I couldn't show how it looks, how beautiful it is when we came here. So anyway, we came like three families. We came with children, and they started playing here. And also, we have a small tent, and we have a light, and started preparing chapati and fish, and everything is going on. So once again, I just want to recommend people, those who want to explore nearby Muscat, which is just 30 to 40 minutes, you can come to this place, and this is one of the best place I can say. And this is actually full of water where children can play and enjoy it, and I think even we can have that off-road drive feel also. I think only four-wheeler can go this way. Even today, even the four-wheeler also little bit of like jerk was there. So I suggest when you come with four-wheeler, you can try, but the other side we have sufficient space where we can park and we can have fun and we can go back. So once again, thank you. Keep watching our channel. Yeah, I'll show you. See that there is a car which it starts going.